Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're diving into some essential Hebrew phrases just in time for election season. Whether you're talking about voting or simply learning some new vocabulary, these phrases will help you discuss voting and elections in Hebrew. So, without further ado, let's begin. To ask, "Did you vote yet?" when speaking to a male, say, "הצבעת כבר?" הצבעת, did you vote, singular male, כבר, already? And when speaking to a female, ask, הצבעת כבר? הצבעת כבר? To say, I already voted, say, אני כבר הצבעתי. I כבר already הצבעתי. I voted. As you can see, the word הצבעתי actually means I voted. So you can just say הצבעתי or כן, הצבעתי, which means yes, I voted. To ask, who are you voting for? When speaking to a male, say, למי אתה מצביע? למי, to who? אתה, you are, singular male, מצביע, voting. And when speaking to a female, ask, למי את מצביעה? To ask, have you decided who to vote for? When speaking to a male, ask, כבר החלטת למי להצביע? כבר, already, החלטת, you have decided, singular male, למי, to who, להצביע, to vote. And when speaking to a female, ask, כבר החלטת למי להצביע? To answer and say, I'm voting for, and then the name of the candidate. As a male, say, אני מצביע ל. I מצביע, am voting, male, ל, and then the name of the candidate. And as a female, say, אני מצביעה ל. אני מצביעה ל. To say, it's important to vote. Say, חשוב להצביע. חשוב, important, singular male, להצביע, to vote. To say, I voted for, say, הצבעתי ל. הצבעתי, I voted, ל, for. To say, I voted at the early voting, say, הצבעתי בהצבעה המוקדמת. הצבעתי, I voted, בהצבעה, at the voting, המוקדמת, the early, singular female. To ask, when are you going to vote? When speaking to a male, say, מתי אתה הולך להצביע? מתי, when, אתה, you are, singular male, הולך, are going, singular male, להצביע, to vote. And when speaking to a female, ask, מתי את הולכת להצביע? מתי, when, את, you, singular female, הולכת, are going, singular female, להצביע, to vote. To say, today is election day. Say, היום, יום הבחירות. היום, today, יום, day off, הבחירות, the elections. To say, every vote counts, say, כל משפיע. כל, every, כל, vote, משפיע, influences, singular male. If it sounded to you like I said the same word twice, כל משפיע, then look at the way it's written. They sound the same, but they are written differently and have different meanings. To ask, who do you think will win the elections when speaking to a male, ask, מי ינצח בבחירות לדעתך? מי, who, ינצח, will win, singular male, בבחירות, in the elections, לדעתך, in your opinion, singular male. And when speaking to a female, ask, מי ינצח בבחירות לדעתך? To ask what issues are important to you when speaking to a male, ask, איזה נושאים חשובים לך? איזה, which, נושאים, issues or topics, חשובים, important, plural males, לך, to you, singular male. And when speaking to a female, ask, איזה נושאים חשובים לך? To say, don't forget to vote, when speaking to a male, say, אל תשכח להצביע. אל, don't. תשכח, you will forget, singular male, להצביע, to vote. And when speaking to a female, say, אל תשכחי להצביע. To say, your vote is important, when speaking to a male, say, הקול שלך חשוב. הקול, the vote, שלך, of yours, singular male, חשוב, important, singular male. And when speaking to a female, say, הקול שלך חשוב. To say, the choice is in your hands, when speaking to a male, say, הבחירה בידיים שלך. הבחירה, the choice, בידיים, in the hands, שלך, of yours, singular male. And when speaking to a female, say, הבחירה בידיים שלך. To say, go exercise your right to vote, when speaking to a group, say, צאו לממש את זכותכם להצביע. צאו, go out, לממש, to fulfill, את זכותכם, your right, להצביע, to vote. To ask, did you remember to bring your ID? When speaking to a male, say, זכרת להביא תעודה מזהה? זכרת, did you remember, singular male, להביא, to bring, תעודה מזהה, ID. And when speaking to a female, say, זכרת להביא תעודה מזהה? To ask, when does the polling station opens? Say, מתי הקלפי נפתחת? מתי, when, הקלפי, the polling station, נפתחת, opens, singular female. To say, happy election day, say, יום בחירות שמח. יום, day off, בחירות, elections, שמח, happy, singular male. To say, go vote, when speaking to a group, say, צאו, להצביע. צאו, go out, plural, להצביע, to vote. So, צאו להצביע. And if you want to learn more politics and voting vocabulary, click on the card on the corner of the screen. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.